everyone, hello Berrylicious, it's me again, Barry J. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, I'm going to do a skincare review for the first time. So I know that nowadays it's pandemic, so we should be responsible for making ourselves more attractive and good looking to others, especially for us men. Okay, so before we start, I want to show this product first. Hey guys, Barry J here. So yeah, we already know that this time is pandemic, so everybody suffers from loss of job, and also other people have like health problems. But for us here who are still healthy, we can also make ourselves more attractive by putting some sunscreen, CC cream, or BB cream on our faces. Oops. Okay, I'm going to focus this one. So yeah, so it doesn't mean that BB cream is only for girls, but BB cream can also be for men, right? So I'm gonna show you how to put this BB cream on my face. So stay tuned and see you in a while. So before we will put our BB cream on our face, we should sanitize our hands first, because you know already coronavirus is everywhere, so we need this alcohol. So let's sanitize our hands, because it's important to be healthy, to sanitize, to kill all the germs, bacteria around us. So now let's go to our BB cream. So let's open this box. Actually, it's already open, of course. So you can see this one. So I'm gonna read this one. This is a Power Perfection SPF 37. So it protects us against the rays of the sun, about the UV rays. So it's important also to wear this one if you go outside. So this is our BB cream inside the box. You can see that, right? Okay, right, yes. So now let's start putting BB cream on our face. So we already took off the bottle cap, so we need our pointing finger. This one, we're gonna put a little amount so you can see the hole. You can see the hole, right? I'm going to focus. Yes. So after that, just a little bit. See. So first, you're gonna put this one on your forehead, your nose, your cheek, and spread all over the area. So in my case, I usually start on my forehead area. So I start spreading the virus, spreading the cream. This one. Do you think it's too many? or just enough. And then when I spread the cream, I just use the 3 fingers to spread it all over. Well, I'm not that into specific, but as long as it's spread all over the area, so it's enough. Though we are men, so we're not particular about that. Most important thing is we can put the cream on our face, right? So like that, put it on my, I already put it on my forehead. Then next on my, this is my left cheek. On my left cheek. And then put that one under your eye bag rather. And then on your nose. Spread that one in your nose area. Then next on your right cheek, on my right cheek. Yeah, spread. 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 Okay. Oops, I think it's my forehead has a lot of cream. I think so. Yeah. So I forgot to put my chin. So we need this one. Then put it here. Put. Also this. There are dogs barking outside. Put. Okay, so we're not yet done. So let's put again here. Let's spread. Spread. Like that. Then you can also put your neck and behind your ears so that it will look fair, because many people will think that what happened to him or her, like why it's so white, why their face is so white, why their faces are so white. But you need to put also on your neck. Why there are dogs barking outside? Damn those dogs. Anyway, I love dogs. Okay, so I think it's enough. We don't necessarily put too many of this because we're men, so we don't want to be like too much white on your face. So we don't want other people comment like, oh, why your face is too much white, like that. So it's not so good maybe, but that's just a little amount and that's enough. Okay, you can see, right? So while putting this cream, it soothes my skin, it moistures my skin at the same time. It whitens maybe, right? It whitens. Yeah, and also it protects your face from the UV rays of the sun outside. So yeah, You have to see if it's already fair. Like all the cream already spreading on your face. Yeah, good. Do you think it's good? Right. Okay, so that's it. So actually the price of this BB cream cost me around like how much is it? Like $70 US. So $70 US in this amount, in this pocket size of BB cream. So you can bring anywhere you want. You can put it in your bag or your small bags. Yeah, anything bags that you may bring, so you can bring this one. So yeah, it looks good. So remember, not only girls but also men can put BB cream on their faces. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. I hope you take this thing like, oh, it's necessary to put cream, like, yeah. So again guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you again on my next vlog. Bye bye. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.